Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, working in this suit shop in the heart of York. Let's get into this. So yeah, we just got parked up then. So in the middle of York, there's loads of parking for bikes. I typed in parking, it was like cycle parking, here. But yeah, I've had to drive maybe 5 minutes into something called Marygate. I get a lovely walk through this park, which is actually the park I walked through when we got married. So that's pretty cool. Look at this. There you go. So it's York Museum Gardens. It's right next to the river. We did a boat gala that's got the dragon boat race down the bottom of the gardens. That's pretty cool. Look at this for a little walk to work. It's alright, isn't it? But yeah, so it should be fun, this suit shop then. So the guy's opening it up. Should be ready for Saturday, and we've just got to get all the electrics in. So we ain't got any data cable today, so tomorrow we'll have to get all the data in for the CCTV. We've got a CCTV guy coming Wednesdays to check over a few bits, just because it's not something we do all the time. That's about it. So there's loads of lighting going in, loads of sockets all over, and it should look pretty cool once it's done. So hopefully we'll be able to get down for the launch night and show you what that looks like. This is just casual army doing cannoning, firing some cannonballs. So isn't it? So much stuff you see in York. Last time we were here, there's this big fat squirrel that we're knocking about in there, and we're feeding it nuts. Yeah, it's interesting really, all the stuff that goes on in York. It's quite a traditional, cultural city. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Oh, they're just everywhere. Squirrel here. The one there. They're just everywhere. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? So the suit shop then, so we got York Minster there, make sure I don't get run over, and the suit shop is just down here on the left then. So if you know York at all, it's down this street. It's got Nola's, CZ's, and that suit shop's just tucked in over there. So yeah, it'd be cool if you could bob down and check some out if you're watching this. Next time you're in, you can see the Finney Electrical lighting and buy a suit whilst you're there. Alright, so into the job now. So we've parked miles away, you've just seen me walking. Here we go, this is the shop that we're going to be wiring up then. So it's got all the gear in at the moment. It's going to be a pretty cool suit shop. There we go, exclusive from Finney Electrical. But yeah, we'll show you what's going on and what's to be put in. We've got Ellis on us today. So he just marked out a couple of sockets, he's going to crack on with that. So there's a couple of sockets here, little USB brass things going in, so that looks pretty sick. And then it's just loads of like feature lighting going in. So we've got some pretty cool like fist lights. It's on like a conduit thing. So we've got that on that pillar, that on that pillar. So we're going to wire into the existing lighting so everything comes on at the same time. We're going to put that via like a timer. So basically it'll kick in whilst all the rest of the lights are off, so people can look through the window and see like a nice display and that. And it'll kick off at like midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning, whatever the party goers are out till.
Oh, great skills.
Going in with all these ropes dangling out. All this is going to be like I think it was like a forestry, some shrubbery or something like that. That's going to look pretty cool. We've got a little lion head here then. LED strip we're going to power up. So it's basically powering up their gear that they've had installed in, I think it was Chesterfield or something they had a shop in. But yeah, they're basically just relocating it, and we've just got to power everything up again. So that's going to look pretty cool. So whilst Ellis is doing that then, we're going to get cables to this little LED strip then. So apparently, I don't know, it just plugs in there and there's a power pack somewhere, like an LED driver, just kind of left above. So what we'll have to do is just get that connected, get a route up into there, and then just connect it onto the existing lighting. Whoa, I'm so sweating. Right then, so just take this light out then. So we've just got the cable down the wall then. So just have to make a little access hole here, so we'll have to fill that. But yeah, this will have to go on the top 6" down, and then basically to the driver. So we'll have to get that wired up, and then get the end of that plugged in there. So all this is getting like metal cladded So I think they're just going to create like a little access hatch so they can get to that at a later date for maintenance essentially. Right then, so that's just clamped on there then. So that's going to take pos and neg. We'll send them through there, connect them onto this side of the driver. There we go, so that's the low voltage side. There we go. What's going on? Let's make a right segment on the video. What's going on? Darth Vader's in the area. Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? Little brass band. So, right then, so we've got this light out, we've got that wired in to there, so that'll come on while it's on with the rest of these lights. So, there'll be a nice little light head in there. So, just a bit of patching work and that'll be that done. So, he's getting on with cladding, that's gonna look pretty sick once that's all sorted. And then we've just got these couple of sockets here that Alicia's done then. So, we've extended the ring from here. So, we've made sure it's a ring, we've chopped into it, and we've extended it up to here, across to there, and back. So essentially, when you wire sockets, you wire it in a ring. We've chopped the ring and made a bigger ring. There we go. Recognise that tune? Ah, this brass band's mint. Yeah, clap, 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 clap. It's mint like. Right then, so we've got two sockets in, get this back box fixed. Now that we're a noggin here, so what we have to do is chop a bit of that noggin out, and then all we have to do is just chop the side of the flap off and then send this screw into the side. So if I undo this, you can see what I'm on about. How genius is that? So you chop the side off and that screws straight into your wood. So you get, I can't undo it. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver. But yeah, you get a perfect solid box every time if you chop it right next to the joist. There we go, so just using the old sockets then that came out of the old shop then. So we've got a brass one to fit on there. They're supposed to be USB, but the guy hadn't ordered them, so we'll best fit these and then he'll swap them over later. We'll come back. So on here then, so you got L for the brown, which is line, N, which is the blue for neutral, so both of them will go in there, and then earth. There we go, so just bag them in with the earth ones, and then that'll be the spire. Haha! Right, time for a bit of munch now, so we're going to try and find a Greggs for Ellis and have a little walk around New York. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Little Star Wars. Da, 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 da. Look at that. Ellis knows where it's at. Little Greggy. Ellis has finished his Greggs. What did you get?
What did I get? The usual.
Bay melt. Oh, I'm buzzing. Oh, popcorn, chicken and rice. Yeah, we're in the world's thinnest pub in New York. There we go.
Even makes me look taller.
Oh, got a little shandy.
Worth it, let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it.
I'm in the window and I was falling over then and people looking in thinking it was like a tourist attraction. Right then, so we've maxed it out, got this fist to put on. How cool is this little fist? So it's a little light holder, so I have to put a lamp in there. So we've just wired it up, got the conduit earthed. So that's the middle, so I have to drill a hole there. That's the bottom of it. So the fish's cable over to here where we can connect on, get power from, and then we'll have to get him fixed here, saddle in, and then that'll be this one done. go. So little fisty on. So little lamp in there, that looks gonna look pretty sweet. So that comes through to here, so it's wiring that box here, and then that'll power on with these. Nice and easy. Right, what's the next job then? We can't even get in there, so we can't do that one. So yeah, so there's like some sign lights to go in. There's 3 mirror lights and there's 3 lights for the change room, so we'll probably do that next. Hello there. Right then, so this is the fist up. Nice bit of fist. Get him on there. Turn him on. Right, we'll get that turned on in a bit so you can see what it looks like. Right then, a bit further on then, so him's arrived. So we are just getting some CCTV cables. It's just Cat 5E to all the cameras. So basically we have to come through the ceiling. We'll pull these out so we can run it through without damaging this ceiling. We'll have to drill a hole in here, don't matter about making a mess in here, we'll be able to patch that far enough. So we'll get the cables through, hoist him through the wall, down here, and pop it out for the CCTV. So we've got, what have we got? Camera, either side at shop front, 2 of this side, 2 of that side, till this, everything's covered, it's brilliant, so no one's, there's no dead spots, which is what you want in the camera system. Right then, so we'll get that in then. We're going to run all the way through here. And we've got Paul doing this awesome cladding. Look at that. That's looking sick, isn't it, with that LED strip. Can't wait to see the finished article, mate. And then Ellis is on with these, so we've got these little recessed lights to fit in. I don't know if we showed you them yet. So we've built this little wooden base, and this is the light that's going in. So Ellis is just cutting out this cutout up there. So the 3 here for the 3 little stalls, and that's your mirror. There'll be a big mirror going over there. And this safe is gonna go, so there you go. Got everything! There we go, so Alice is above ceiling, so we're just getting some cables in now. Alice is trying not to fall through this little ceiling here. But we're gonna get cables to the front of the shop. I'm a bit interested. That'll do, it's coming in, it's all fading through. Lovely! There we go, just doing outside cameras now then, so we've got a little turret here. It's going to sit there, angle in to the shop, so it'll pick up anyone trying to nick stuff. So what we'll do is just put that little thread through there, and then we'll connect that up to the Cat 5 cable that I put through. So one go in that end, and then one go in that side. Right, that's first day done with then. So we've got loads done today. So we're going to crack on with the CCTV, loads of lighting installs, and that's about it. So watch this space. We're back down today then, and the safe is gone. So I think Paul stayed a bit late last night and got this wall done, so that's looking pretty sick. Look at that little line head. Nice. Further on then, so I have to keep talking because radio's on and I'm going to get demonetised, but here we go, so the lights on there. Basically there's going to be a neon sign here, so we've just set the cable through, so we're going to attach that into there. All these lights are on is what I meant to say, we've got that light up. All mirror feeds are hanging out, ready for mirrors, and then that's this section done. And we'll show you a bit more of the other bits of the job in a bit. There it is, you can't get down. Right, so next little job then. So they've got the CCTV cables in all the way along. So Hayden and Alice have just done that. So we're going to get this cable, this socket cable, through the backs of the units along the tops, and then a socket low level, and they'll just put like a little desk hole in and plug in what it needs to plug in. Apparently there's a school trip going past. And I'm in a shop window, lovely. So we've got another, so like the fist light over the yawn, we're going to have the same little setup here. So what I have to do is just do what we do, so drill up, fish a cable to here and attach it into this end light, so like we did there, so we'll get on with that next. We've got the cables through then, so we've had to take these lights out to get the cables all the way through, so we can't really attack that ceiling because it's all like nicely decorated and that, and it will not look the same. So we've got Ellis popping them back up. What else we got? We've got little fist lights, so there's a fist light to go in there, Hen's doing the socket in that end room, and then we've got Paul here just building these. Being nice and quiet.
I'm not swearing though.
No, that's a first. So we've got a little cable out for the little neon thing that's going on, and then in back here, yeah, we just want to basically reusing stuff from the old shops. We've got like a little rope light that we're just going to bang in there, and then we've got like a spare emergency light, so we're just going to bang that next to it. So just a bit practical, so they can see whilst in the back area here. So all these are the CCTV cables, so we'll have to get that up into the wall, round, or then down and poke it out where the CCTV is going to sit. Right then, so we've had a bit of munch. So we managed to rod from here across to here. That's an absolute feat, that. So I'm just going to tie on now and then send the cable around and extend onto this cable behind me up lower. I did use a 32 for some of them. And it's through. Here we go, just doing the change room lights then. So here's this little chop box. That's a little lead that goes into your light. So that'll go on a bit. And I'll end up looking at this one here. There we go. So obviously what we have to do then is get that mirror, block it there, you have lights casting out, so it should look pretty sick. Got this light up. Got cables out for CCTV, chop those down, ready for we'll have to do tomorrow. Little shelf going in here, so it was going to go down there, so there's loads of excess stuff we don't need. But yeah, light switches in, sockets in there, and then what we've done is just extended it up to here. So what we're going to just chop out a little double socket here. The shelf will sit there, and then CCTV can plug in there, and then that'll be this section done. Yeah, we've also got the little rope lights put up, so it's going to go right in the middle there, so you'll see us do that somehow. Right, that's it all finished then. So, yeah. I'll show you what's crack with this then. So we've got all the cables hanging out here for the CCTV then. There we go, got his little fish lights up. These guys are trying to get on video.
This is trying to earn money.
Yeah, this is me trying to earn money, yeah. Yeah, it's looking pretty sick. So these guys are going to hang little, what do you call them? Hooks as they call them, because they're from up north. Yeah, it's looking sick, that. Right then, so we're back at Master Debonair then, so it's all finished. So we've got all these little CCTV cameras up, it's all signed up, and it's all dressed. And we've got little poochie. They do like a little Instagram, the golden dog or something like that. But yeah, this is the shop now. It's looking pretty sick. It's all been nicely finished off with Paul. So let's take you through it then. So since that video then, we've got these, I had to come back and put this little light in then to shine on these. Look at that, some pretty cool stuff that they got on. Got those little fish lights on for the window. Again, what we had to do, we had to get that on the window timer. So these turn off at this at like, I think it's like 2 AM, so all the drunkards can see all the nice window display. What else did we do? We did this little socket here, if you remember the Instagram video. That's that one. Did a little socket for TV as well. So, nice little promotions. They do really well on like Instagram and stuff like that. Master Debonair. We've got loads of posts coming out. But yeah, great to buy if you're looking for any kind of suits. So I think loads of people come in for like weddings and stuff like that. But yeah, Paul's finally got those hooked up then. So if you remember last time they were just dangling down. But yeah, it's looking pretty sick. Let's look at the changing rooms then. So yeah, they've finally got this sign up then. Look at that, where the magic happens. So looking pretty sick now, it's all decorated. If you remember last time, it won't even stain the floor. They're looking great. And then this big massive mirror that they've bought. Look at that, then we've got the little charging station then for your phones whilst you get your shiny suits. So there we go, that's this shop done then. So I've just seen, we saw how we all installed it. It was a bit noisy, we had this crazy, what was it, like a little marching band went past I think, so that's in this video, so hopefully you enjoyed that. But yeah, if you enjoy this kind of video then, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so when we next upload. So it's a good one from me, and I'll see you on the next one.